Marahay na banggay sa gabos na namumutan kong mga Nagueño. It is with great sadness that I am announcing to you today that one of the 8 individuals who have direct contact with the COVID-19 patient from Barangay Calawag tested positive for SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. Our third COVID-19 patient has been coded by the Department of Health, CHD, as Bicol number 16. She is 59 years old, a resident of Calawag, and is related to our city's second COVID-19 patient. She is currently at the Bicol Medical Center. It is for this reason, and following the advice of our City Health Officer, Dr. Vito Borja, that we will continue the extreme enhanced quarantine, community quarantine, covering most parts of Barangay Calawag and Villa Karangahan until further notice. Meanwhile, that further contact tracing and other activities of the Naga City Epidemiology and Surveillance Unit are being done. I am directing the temporary closure of all stores along Onyx, Garnet, Sapphire, and Diamond Streets. I have also directed, upon the advice of the City Health Officer, to isolate the patient's immediate family to a city-controlled quarantine facility for monitoring. Nasopharyngeal swabbing of the immediate family members will also be done. Again, I call upon every Nagueño to remain vigilant. Please continue to observe proper hygiene and sanitation and follow all measures advised by our health authorities. God bless us all.